Hello, little ones! This is Mommy Art School, and today we are going to draw a hot chocolate. Yummy! And we are going to start by drawing a little curve to define the size of our hot chocolate cup. So we are going to do the bottom of it around here and around here. This is going to be our big hot chocolate cup. Then 2 lines to bring it together. Okay, so we continue joining the lines. Joining the lines. Great! So now we are going to draw a handle like around here of the hot chocolate cup. So I am gonna draw one with 2 handles, and they're gonna look like the cutie ears of the cup. Now we are going to bring it to life with our cutie eyes. One circle here and 1 circle around the opposite side. We always draw a big circle and a small circle, big circle and a small circle. Great, and a happy smile. Then we're gonna fill it in inside. Have so much fun drawing this hot chocolate cup together. We're gonna put the bros here. And we are going to decorate this cup. Some cute little waves, like the ocean waves. We're at the ocean. Say it again. I am at the ocean. Let's say it again. I am at the ocean. Okay, those are little cute waves. Now we are going to do marshmallows. Marshmallows have little curves everywhere. And then join the line. And we can have another big marshmallow right behind this one. We can have more marshmallows right next to it. We can have another one in the front. Yeah. And we can continue putting more marshmallows behind. And it's like a big family of marshmallows. As many as you want. Okay. All the children love drinking a hot chocolate with a straw. This straw has a little bit of a curve. You just do it slowly, following the first one. Now we can make the little cutie eyes and bring those marshmallows alive. Sing with me. I love my hot chocolate. I love my hot chocolate. It makes me feel so warm. I love my hot chocolate. I love my hot chocolate. It makes me feel so warm. Maybe some of the marshmallows are sleeping. Remember drinking hot chocolate. Now we are going to do these little tiny shapes, and they're gonna look like light for the handles. And we finish the waves. Now we are going to go over it with a thicker marker. I love my hot chocolate. I love my hot chocolate. It makes me feel so warm. I love my hot chocolate. I love my hot chocolate. It makes me feel so warm and happy too. Great! Now choose your favorite color. I'm gonna choose light blue. Sing with me. I love my hot chocolate. I love my hot chocolate. It makes me feel so warm. I love my hot chocolate. I love my hot chocolate. It makes me feel so warm. Hot chocolate makes us feel so warm and happy too. Now, let's finish the waves with a darker blue. You can choose any other colors. If you choose pink, you can use a darker pink for your waves. Turquoise the same, light turquoise for the cap, and darker for the waves. Great! Now let's go with the straw and let's add some green. What other colors you love? Use your favorite colors. I'm gonna add a little bit of blue like in the ocean's wave. And now we can do a little bit of a tiny color that we chose just to do a tiny little shape on the marshmallows. Some of them are behind. There you go. Now, one of my favorite times is to add sparkles. And we're gonna use a dry brush and spread it out all around the cup. Art is meant to be fun and relaxing, so you take your own time. If you need to pause the video, you pause it, and you can take your time to do everything. Breathe in. My hot chocolate. Breathe out. This is so much fun. Now turquoise sparkles. And these ones, I feel like I'm just gonna leave them like that. And you can too. Now for the marshmallows, we have silver sparkle to make these marshmallows shine. How about we put some on the straw? Wonderful! Happy marshmallows! Happy cutie marshmallows! Great! And we finish our surfing hot chocolate cup. And don't forget to click subscribe and like so you never miss another adventure. Ciao, ciao!